If you want to change the country in Google Calendar, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is useful if you need Google Calendar to match a different region, update local settings, or make sure your calendar preferences are set the way you want. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click that gear icon and then from the drop-down, click Settings. This will open the full Google Calendar settings page. On the left-hand side, scroll through the settings options until you find Language and Region. Click on that section because this is where Google Calendar lets you adjust your regional preferences. Once you're in Language and Region, look for the country drop-down. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available countries. Select the country you want to use. After you choose it, the settings should update automatically. In most cases, there's nothing else you need to do. Just confirm the country is selected correctly and you're done. That's how you change the country in Google Calendar in just a few clicks. If this saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.